Hello everybody. We are having a very good question of CAT as well as IIM examination. That is, a new sequence is obtained from a sequence of natural numbers starting from 1 by deleting all the perfect squares. Find the 2022nd term of the new sequence formed. So here we can first assume that sequence to be as 2 3 5, because 1 is a perfect square. We have to eliminate 1 2 3 5 6 7 8, and after that again 9 is a perfect square of 3. That's why 10 11 12 13 14 15, and again 16 is eliminated, 17 18. So this sequence would be like this, dot dot dot. So we know that from 1 to 100 we are having 10 perfect squares. And how we got this? We know that the formula 1 to 100, so 100 root, so the root of 100 is 10. So from 1 to 100 we are having 10 perfect squares. That is, we are having 90 numbers of this sequence, 90 numbers of this sequence from 1 to 100. So similarly, 1 to 1600 we are having 40 perfect squares. That is root of 1600, that is 40 perfect squares. And by eliminating 40 from 1600 we get 1560 numbers of this sequence we are having from 1 to 1600 group. And in the group of 1 to 2025 we are having 45 perfect squares. That is root of 2025, that is 45 perfect squares. So the numbers we are having from this group in this sequence is, that is 2520 minus of 45, that is 1980 numbers we are having from this group in this sequence. Now we know that we have to find the number, that is 2022nd number we have to find, but we are getting only 1980 numbers. So more we need, that is 42 numbers. So by adding 42 we have to see that do we get any other perfect square in between those numbers. So means we got that 45 perfect squares. So 2025 is 45 square. So we have to do 46 square. So 46 square, we know it is 2116, that is greater than 2022nd term. That's why we can simply eliminate this, and we can add 42 to this number, that is 1980. We can simply add 42 to this, and by adding 42 we would get the 2022nd term. So the 2022nd term we are adding 42 in this term, so that's why we should also add 42 in this term as well. So by adding 2025 plus 42, what we will get, we would simply get that is 2067. So the 2022nd term of this sequence is 2067. So this was really a very tricky question, not that difficult. But if you know the trick and if you know this simple formula, you can easily solve any type of these questions. Thank you.